Big news coming in. After spending a night in jail, Allu Arjun has finally walked out. Allu Arjun has reached his residence and he's thanked everyone for the support that's been showered over him for the last 14 hours. He also says that he respects the law and he will not interfere any further. He has faith in the country's judicial system. That's what he said after his release, after he had to spend an entire night in the Hyderabad Central Jail.
Thank you everybody. Andarki namaskaram. Namaste. I'd like to first thank everybody from all over the country for all your love and support. Thank you each and everybody from all the industries, all the states and all the Indians across the world. Thank you so much for your love and support. I'm very humbled. And I like to thank all my fans for their immense love and support. Thank you. I'm safe. Nothing to worry. I'm doing well. Thank you very much. And I also like to tell that I'm a law-abiding citizen. I respect the law, and I will cooperate with them, and I'll do the needful. And very importantly, I would like to give my condolences once again to the family. It is very unfortunate that we went to watch a film and there was an accident, that is totally unintentional. We went to watch a movie and, due to an unfortunate accident, there's been a loss of a person. And we're always very sorry for whatever's genuinely happened. And it's purely out of my personal control. And I've been doing that for the last 20 years. Last 20 years I've been going to watch my films, and I've been to that place not just only for my film, but for my uncle's films. I've been there more than 30 times in my life. Never something like this has ever happened. It is purely accidental, purely unfortunate, and I will be there for the family to support them in whatever way I can. We can never cover the loss of the death of a person, but in whatever possible way, I will be there for the family to support them. And once again, I like to thank each and every one of you from all over. बहुत शुक्रिया सबके लिए.
Law-abiding citizen, बहुत shukriya, and a lot of love there from Allu Arjun coming as he walks out of jail. Very indebted, as he did sound, to everything, all the love, the support that he garnered over the last testing 12 hours or so for him. There was pandemonium as he walked out, as he gave that media bite as well. I have Akshata and Apurva both joining me on this broadcast for more. Let me first go across to Apurva, who is there at Allu Arjun's residence, which is where we saw Allu Arjun walk out not too long back, address the media, send out a message to his fans and everyone concerned about him. Apurva, what is it that you see at the moment? What we saw were moving visuals earlier when he met his family. But at the moment, yes, he's gone back. But now are fans being allowed to get to his residence? Earlier, because of the huge security arrangement that was there wasn't any presence of supporters. But what do you see right now? And are there any fans who've gathered now?
Oh my God, let me speak. Well, Harshit, as you can see, Allu Arjun's father there, Allu Arvind, has just now arrived here after Allu Arjun had, reached his residence there. He has just, been at Geeta Arts after he had picked up his son from Chanchalguda jail, and he has now arrived here in his vehicle as well. What we are getting to learn is that one important thing Allu Arjun has kept consistently telling, which is that he and his entire team is indeed remorseful of the horrible accident that had taken place there at Chanchalguda jail, and that the horrible accident that had taken place there at Sandhya Theatres, where a woman had been grievously injured. She suffered injuries and had died in the stampede that had taken place there, and her son as well, that you can see, her son, he had also suffered grievous injuries and is still in medical condition. That's what he has reiterated. The first words out of Allu Arjun's mouth is that he is very thankful for all the people who have shown love and support and have been there for him. But most importantly, he says, I am yet again very sorry that this had taken place. This kind of accident had taken place in which a life was lost. That's what Allu Arjun is also going on and saying. He also goes on and reiterates that he will stand by the family. He's a law-abiding citizen and they will do whatever is necessary and needful as per law. That's the statement that Allu Arjun has come out and stated. Let me also remind you, Allu Arjun, he's also, after several questions had risen as to how his condition was at the jail, what had happened, was he, was he feeling safe and etc. He goes on and reiterates saying that he is safe, he is okay, everything is fine. That's what Allu Arjun has stated, a message of, hope and that assurance that he will abide with the law, he will go ahead and he will be doing as per the law. That's what he says. In fact, yet again, he's showing that not only that what he said that day after the tragic incident had happened where a lady had lost her life in the stampede at Sandhya Theatres when he visited, where he said he's very sorry, he supports the family and stand by them. Yet again today, after he had been taken to jail and had been brought back, released early this morning, he goes back again and reiterates, he's met with his family here, all of them embracing him as he's being welcomed back home. But the one thing he goes back and says is that I am thankful for the fans, but most importantly, I'm sorry that this accident had happened. And he also goes on and says that he will still stand by the family who have just lost their loved ones. Harshit.
Stay on, Apurva.